Hi, I am Mutaz Majdoub, co-founder and CEO of GGEZ1 platform. We are launching the first regenerative finance, ReFi, blockchain ecosystem for the Middle East and Africa, a blockchain ecosystem that powers stable, transparent, and secure asset-backed cryptocurrency. GGEZ1 blockchain ecosystem is a Web3 financial platform which incorporates new concepts such as decentralization, blockchain technology, smart contracts, cryptocurrency, and tokenization. If you're unfamiliar with these concepts and wish to learn more about Web3, we recommend watching our Web3 explainer video. Why the world, particularly our region, needs Web3 financial platforms. The financial ecosystem in our region, like many regions around the world, is facing several challenges, including low financial inclusion, high interest rates, high transaction costs, and chronic inflation and currency devaluation. For example, the chronic devaluation of the Egyptian pound has had several significant impacts on the economic well-being of the people in Egypt, which includes increased cost of living and reduced purchasing power. The value of savings held in Egyptian pound diminishes. This resulted in the people's overall impoverishment and a loss of their savings. Similar economies in the region are facing the same challenges, like Lebanon, Syria, Iraq, Sudan, Ethiopia, and many others. Web3 and cryptocurrency can solve financial ecosystem challenges and increase financial inclusion by improving on the current financial infrastructure by enabling a global, open source, and more accessible ecosystem, which will provide easy access to affordable financial services to many people in the region who remain underbanked. The driving force behind our project is the belief that Web3 financial platforms will gradually integrate with the existing financial ecosystems. This integration will create a more efficient financial infrastructure, accelerate financial inclusion, and address key issues plaguing the current financial infrastructure. Real-world asset tokenization has the potential to revolutionize how we invest, manage, and trade assets. Tokenization involves converting ownership or rights of assets into digital tokens on a blockchain. This digital representation, called a token, essentially acts as a certificate of ownership for the underlying asset. Tokenization can be applied to various asset types, including tradable securities. This includes stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Privately owned assets. Investment trusts can be formed to own private assets, utilizing investment vehicles like private equity trusts and real estate investment trusts, REITs. Private equity trusts. Investment vehicles that acquire stakes in private companies with the aim to generate returns. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Investment securities that invest in real estate that generates income. The ownership or rights of these assets are reflected into what is known as asset-backed cryptocurrency. Asset-backed cryptocurrency bridges the gap between traditional assets and the digital world and offers the following advantages. Price stability, backed by real-world assets like real estate, reducing the price volatility seen in traditional currencies. This stability makes them ideal for everyday transactions, as a medium of exchange, and as a store of value. 24/7 global accessibility, access anytime, anywhere, with a lower barrier of entry than traditional financial institutions. Transaction efficiency, offers faster, cheaper transactions than traditional banking. Democratization of investments, fractional ownership attracts investors and makes high-value assets more accessible to a broader audience. Transparency and security, blockchain technology provides public auditability, boosting trust and security. Increased trust, physical assets backing the currency enhance users' confidence over non-backed currencies. Cryptocurrencies backed by real-world assets are poised for broader acceptance in our region, where trust in physical investments is supreme. The approach bridges traditional asset confidence with digital currency innovation, fostering greater adoption. The GGEZ1 is a regenerative finance, ReFi, blockchain ecosystem because the collateral backing the asset-backed cryptocurrency are income-generating investments in projects that advance environmental sustainability and social equity. ReFi is an investment approach that aims to generate both financial returns and measurable social and environmental impact. We will focus on ReFi investments across a range of sectors, including renewable energy, water investments, waste reduction, green transportation, and sustainable agriculture. The GGEZ1 platform is a blockchain ecosystem that powers asset-backed cryptocurrency, designed to be easy to use, accessible, and affordable. The platform consists of 3 layers. 1. Interconnected decentralized blockchain, smart chain that can exchange assets and data with leading public chains, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, without central exchanges. It's a smart chain because it supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. 2. Asset-backed cryptocurrency, a cryptocurrency backed by real-world income-generating investments in sustainability and social equity, ReFi. 3. Real-world assets tokenization launchpad, tokenization of real-world assets and projects that advance sustainability. The GGEZ1 blockchain ecosystem powers ReFi investments-backed cryptocurrency that is better than fiat currency-backed stablecoins and better than gold-backed cryptocurrency because the underlying asset generates both financial returns and measurable economic and environmental impact. Imagine a cryptocurrency that encapsulates the price stability of a stablecoin, serves as a safe store of value due to the backing of diversified real-world assets, offers protection against inflation, and simultaneously generates economic output in the back end. A cryptocurrency backed by income-generating investments in innovative sustainability projects. These projects generate clean, affordable energy, promote sustainable agriculture, and contribute to thriving ecosystems. Projects the world truly needs, such as Quaise Energy, electricity from geothermal energy. Climeworks, direct carbon air capture and removal. Universal hydrogen, zero carbon fuel for aviation. Source, renewable drinking water systems. Yolele, industrialization of fonio grain production in Africa. HDF Energy, Africa's first green hydrogen plant in Namibia. Investing in these projects are crucial for the world and the region as they accelerate the transition to sustainability, create jobs and economic opportunities, and generate financial returns. Web3 brings new market potential and user experiences. Web3's disruptive potential will reshape industries, unlocking trillions of dollars globally and creating exciting business opportunities. Web3 economy is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of over 40% from 2023 to 2030. The total value of the Web3 economy is estimated to be around $30 billion in 2023. Tokenized assets are projected to reach a $16 trillion market by 2030 according to a recent report by the Boston Consulting Group, BCG. We estimate the market opportunity size in our region to be about 60 million users with an annual revenue potential of $1.2 billion. The founders have over 20 years of experience developing financial solutions and have successfully built 2 fintech platforms currently servicing clients across Europe and the Middle East. The founders built, launched, and operated the following fintech projects. 1. Numni.com electronic voucher distribution platform, supporting over 10,000 merchants in Saudi Arabia, Iraq, and Jordan. 2. Accomplish financial payment card issuing platform, supporting over 30 corporate clients and financial institutions in Europe and Canada. GGEZ1 platform challenges the current economic paradigm and proposes a new way of thinking for a better financial system by launching the first decentralized and interconnected ReFi blockchain ecosystem powering asset-backed cryptocurrency from the Middle East and Africa region. And with the mission to enable a more sustainable and equitable Web3 economy in our region. We are looking for investors to join us early on as the potential for this project is enormous. We will start fundraising in Q2 2024 when the chain goes live. If you're interested in becoming an early investor, please register with us. GGEZ1, as the first regenerative finance, ReFi, blockchain ecosystem in the Middle East and Africa, uniquely embraces the concept of the double bottom line, DBL, financial strategy, prioritizing both financial returns and measurable social and environmental impact, setting the project apart from traditional financial platforms solely focused on profit. Invest in a Web3 project that benefits people and the planet. Real-world impact, real financial return.